Good morning, students. I am Falguni Panchal, your English teacher. Welcome to our English class. Today we will learn explanation of poem Run. This Run poem is written by Mary Daunt. It has 4 stanzas. This short poem is about the life in a village which is simple, carefree and peaceful. As we observe in a city, busy street, traffic congestion, tall buildings, no free space for moving. While in village, children are playing freely in a free space, bullock cart, lots of trees, meadow, lane, hillside, everything we can find in village. Poetess is implying that she is tired of the busy city life and needs a break. The poetess wants to run away from the city life and go out in the countryside. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Here, poetess run from the city towards the countryside and into the sun. Run in the raindrops, run beneath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Here she wants to run in the raindrops, run beneath the trees. So she wants to sit under the trees. Run little races, she wants to run the race with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. She wants to run down the hillside and run up the lane. Run through the meadow. Meadow we know. What is meadow? A field with grass and wild flowers. She wants to run through the meadow and run back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. She wants to run and be happy, be cheerful all through the day. Whole day she wants to remain cheerful. Run to the country, away, away. So, from the city she wants to run towards to the country. This poem is a celebration of a carefree country life. In short, poetess is implying that she is tired of the busy city life and needs a break. The poetess wants to run away from the city life and go out in the countryside. She wanted to run into the sun, sit beneath the trees and play with other children. She would love to run down the hillside and up the lane. All through the day, she would run through the meadows and be merry, enjoy the peace and beauty that is symbolized through the life in a countryside. Rhyming words which come into this poem are sun, run, trees, breeze, lane, again, day, away. These are the rhyming words which come in poem. Here I like to share with you benefits of running. It improves the heart function, for better digestive system, reduce the risk of heart disease, increase the muscular strength, strengthening of lungs, overall mental health and increase the bone density. Even it is also helpful for weight loss. So do the running. Okay. I hope you understand that through this poem what poetess like to share with us. Okay. That's it for today. Enjoy your day. Goodbye. Thank you.